Hi, welcome back to Storytime with Susan. We are continuing with our book, The Berenstain Bear Scouts and the Coughing Catfish. We are on chapter 4, so let's dig right in. A Gift from the Sea. The scouts watched as Gramps' rig, hook, line, sinker, and bagel splashed into the sun-spangled water. The mysterious deep, Lizzie had called it. Lizzie was right. The deep was mysterious. Maybe that's why folk have been fishing for thousands of years. They fished for food, of course, but it was more than that. There's a kind of magic to fishing, a kind of excitement. You never know what you might catch. A little sunny too small to keep, or an open-mouthed oyster cracker whose teeth seem to go all the way down to its tail, or even old Jake, king of the cats. The scouts watched as Gramps jigged his line. The idea is to move it a little now and then, he explained. All eyes were on the spot where the line entered the water. What secret world lay beneath the bright surface? Were there schools of fish of every shape and size, or no fish at all? Was old Jake lurking down there, or was he miles and miles away? Everybody, even Lizzie, was staring at the line. Gramps tried to jig the line again, but it wouldn't jig. Got something, said Gramps. Got something big. He gave the line a pull, something really big. The line straightened as Gramps pulled as hard as he could. Maybe it's caught on a rock, said Brother. No, it's springy, said Gramps. When I pull it, it pulls back. Rocks don't pull back. It's old Jake, I tell you. It's just gotta be. The scouts rushed to the railing, except Lizzie, who held back. Easy, Gramps, said Fred. You don't want to lose him. Gramps was giving, which is how you land a really big fish. I can't stand the excitement, cried Sister. I can't stand to look, said Lizzie, putting her hands over her eyes. I've got you now, old Jake, cried Gramps. Then, with a mighty roar, he pulled as hard as he could. I can't look, cried Lizzie. There was a shower of water and a big thump as Gramps' catch landed on the pier. Oh dear, said Lizzie. All was quiet as the others stared at Gramps' catch. You can look now, Lizzie, said Sister. Gramps didn't catch old Jake. He caught old Bedspring. It was true. When Lizzie uncovered her eyes, what she saw on Gramps' hook was a wet bagel and a rusty bedspring. Well, better luck next time, Gramps, huh? Well, join me next time for our next chapter to see what trouble these bears can get into. As always, like and subscribe. Have a good day.